I think you all know that I've been trying to use Streamlit along with Oracle Fusion for quite a number of times. And in the past, I had done a couple of videos around that. I was successfully able to connect Streamlib application with Oracle Fusion, and I was able to query. So today also, I'm going to show you something very similar to that. But just to let you know, this is not like a complete project or anything. This is the first step of another bigger initiative. But I had been working on this for quite a number of days. In fact, like maybe like 2 3 weeks, and I know I'd been asking a lot of technical help, and some folks did reach out to me. They provided some help to me on the Oracle REST API side. So I just wanted to show you the current progress. But again, like I said, a lot of things are pending. So let me first go into the folder. Okay, I'm going to run my command streamlit run.py. Okay, so it opens my Streamlit application locally on my machine, and you can see that it's asking me the it's basically showing the payables invoice dashboard. Again, this is my first step. I still have a long way to go, but I just thought I'll quickly show you what I'm creating so far. So it's asking me the base URL, and this can also work with any of your production URLs, only if it is not using any SSO or things like that. Regular URL should work. So let me paste the details over here. Okay, let me go to Oracle, and I'm copying the URL from here. Okay, I'm pasting that URL over here, the username which I've created, and the password. Okay, so this one needs a business unit. So I have, because otherwise, it's very difficult for it to query everything. So I've given one business unit. It can work with others too, but I'm going to use one business unit, US one business unit. Okay, so you can see that I've given two options. This one is a TBD. It's still, I've not, this is not yet working, but I've gone to the query invoices. Let me click on that one. So it says some other query, other invoices by business unit. Okay, this one, as I said, create invoice logic is still not working. I want to create invoice similar to the IDR. I think you have seen the IDR process also, but now I'm building one single project. I want to query, and then I want to create, and I want to do a Gen AI functionality on that. So consider this as a part one of the whole thing. Okay. Now it says maximum records to retrieve. I'm just going to retrieve 100 records. Offset is just another filter which I've given. This is not yet implemented. I have some plans around this one, but I'm just adding 0 for now. And then let me click on run the query. Okay, so it's running over here. You can see return hundreds of 100. Okay, it returned 100 invoices because I've given it here, and you can see the column here. Let's can we maximize it? Yeah, so if you maximize it, you can see the invoice number. This is the thing. Yeah, invoice number, invoice amount, business unit, supplier side. So instead of just querying using a postman and things like that, I've used a REST API on this one, and I connected that to Streamlit. Now once I get this information, like I can do a lot of things, but I'm interested in creating an invoice too. Okay, if it's not available in this, it should create an invoice, and then I should be able to ask questions around that invoice. Now even now I can do that. If you remember, I had done that previously. Even now I can create some Gen AI functionality on this, and query something based on this, which I can definitely do. But I don't want to do the same thing right now. In this case, I want to merge the IDR functionality into this. Now even IDR I had shown you previously, IDR replacement I had shown you previously. So I want to bring that over here and combine that with this. And down the line, I have some other plans of audio searching, audio voice searching, and things like that. So that will be an ongoing project. Okay, but I'll keep you guys updated. And maybe I'll try to publish this on a website, but you would need some kind of OpenAI key or something to run this. So I'll do that, and I'll publish this link with you guys, so you can also check this out with your own data. Okay, and maybe you can help me with some testing also. Okay. All right, team. So that's the quick thing which I wanted to show you today. I still have a long way to go, but I'll keep you guys posted on this one. Thank you. Bye.